When your Samsung AC remote stops responding, start with the most common issue: battery problems. Replace the batteries with fresh AAA alkaline cells, ensuring proper polarity alignment. Test if your remote is transmitting signals by using your smartphone camera. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. A functioning remote will show a blinking light on your camera screen. Ensure there are no obstacles blocking the line of sight between your remote and the AC unit. The effective range is typically 6 to 8 meters under optimal conditions. For cooling mode problems, verify the outdoor temperature is above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure your unit is not set to heating only mode, and confirm the target temperature is set below the current room temperature. For heating mode, confirm your unit has heat pump capability and the outdoor temperature is within operating limits, typically -5 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the heat pump to activate and ensure the defrost cycle is not currently active. For auto mode complications, reset the temperature differential settings and check for any manual overrides that might be preventing the system from switching modes automatically. When your Samsung AC remote isn't responding, sensor issues are often the culprit. Let's start by cleaning the room temperature sensor, which is typically located behind the front panel of your AC unit. Next, clean the remote control sensor on your AC unit's front panel. This sensor receives signals from your remote control and can become blocked by dust or furniture. If cleaning the sensors doesn't solve the problem, try a soft reset of your remote control. This process clears temporary glitches and restores normal communication. For more persistent issues, perform a soft reset of the AC unit itself. This involves unplugging the unit and allowing it to fully power down before restarting. If soft resets don't work, a factory reset will restore your AC unit to its original settings. Look for a small reset button, usually recessed on the unit's control panel. For units with smart features, you may need to reset the Wi-Fi connection. Access your AC's service menu and look for network reset options to restore smart home connectivity. These sensor cleaning and reset procedures resolve most Samsung AC remote control issues. Start with sensor cleaning, then progress through the reset options until your remote responds properly.